Let's talk about editing our videos. There's one of two ways to edit questions in your survey. The first one we'll show you is using the edit button right here. And if we scroll down to our questions that we have, this question here, I'm not a big fan of how it's worded, and I'd like to change that. So let's change this to order the following colors from favorite to least favorite, and hit save. So let's see what that looks like. Here's our question 1 and question 2. Order the following colors from favorite to least favorite. Now, a second place that we can edit questions is right up here in our polls. Now, this is the screen that we will see every time we log in. And this question here, what is your favorite color? I'd like to change that. And instead, I want to know what your least favorite color is, and hit save. So here is what our survey looks like now.